In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the 2020 Audi Q3. It's a feature-packed entry in the growing compact luxury segment. If you're curious about other options and available features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Audi and Q3 to get started. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The second-generation Audi Q3 brings attractive design and useful features to the compact luxury party. Key competitors include the BMW X1 and the Lexus UX. Here in North America, the Audi Q3 gets one powertrain option, a 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 that generates up to 228 horsepower. It's connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is standard with power going to all four corners thanks to a Haldex-based version of Audi's legendary Quattro system. EPA rates the Q3 at up to 27 miles to the gallon on the highway and 19 in the city. With the second row in place, the Q3 holds up to 23.7 cubic feet of gear. Fold the second row down for up to 48 cubic feet of total capacity. Under the floor is a space-saver spare. The second row is nicely accommodating even for an adult, with fine materials and plenty of power options to charge devices. Moving to the front cabin reveals a dynamic and luxurious design. Fine materials are on all the touch points. The seats are power adjustable and heated. One of our favorite options at this trim level is the Audi Virtual Cockpit. This is a nicely configurable digital gauge cluster that gives all the information you need about the status of the vehicle at a glance. Audi's infotainment system is one of the better screen integrations. It flows seamlessly into the design of the overall dash. This is where you can control everything: vehicle settings, navigation, music, and a lot more. The Q3 also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless charging. Cable connections can get you Android Auto on supported devices. Where the top Prestige trim comes standard with a vast array of safety equipment, this mid-level Premium Plus S-Line trim still has a solid lineup: blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation, automatic headlights, and lane detection. Adaptive cruise control is reserved for the top trim. On the road, the Audi Q3 is surprisingly fun to drive. The turbocharged engine provides plenty of thrust for easy navigation of highways and byways with a very comfortable ride. Steering feel and throttle response are configurable by the driver, so you can fine-tune it to your own preferences. Not all luxury crossovers are suited for forest roads and rougher trails, but you might be surprised at just how capable the Audi Q3 can be. The generous 8.3-inch ride height and capable all-wheel drive system will help you get to trailheads and ski slopes with confidence. The new Audi Q3 isn't just a good-looking crossover, it's a smart one too. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see more options and pricing on the Audi Q3. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation dealer.